gonna try it. Let's see. There's Daddy
Hello.
and Buckshot. And here's Sergeant and CJ. Hang on a second. Let's see if I can. CJ. Easy. Of course he would do that now. And then there's, oh, we gotta turn all the way around, Anna. And there's our landscape. CJ again.
Dad, I really want to talk to the
What do you want to talk about, Anna?
No. We're going on a ride with our horses. My horse's name is Effie. Beautiful time. We're going on a walk today and fun.
Okay, let's wrap it up because Mommy's doing all this crap with one hand, okay?
And even our horses muscle and
Mm-hmm. Necessary exercise.
we're going on a walk. Mom, you're gonna bump
Okay. Anna, I got it. I can't look around anymore.
Turn.
All right, is there anything you want to say, CJ?
Something. You can't turn around or else you'll fall off.
Mm-hmm.
And you're bumping into stuff. And
Mm-hmm.
maybe my horse will
Mhm.
know where we can go.
Mm-hmm.